See?
You're going closer to it. I did this.
I did this last time.
Hey, somebody hold the black rope out of the
Look, it's Tarzan.
Oh my God.
I can't go that far.
Don't scare him.
Okay, come on, Brandon.
Oh!
Oh!
You hit bottom? Yeah.
On his head.
I'm touching right now.
Boy!
Why did you let go? I got scared. You had it.
You,
Really? Oh, I'm going to get it next time.
you were upside down. You were...
In the water. All you had to do was let go.
Let go.
For real? All you had to do was let go, and he wasn't letting go. He was like, looking at the ground. Yeah, man, I went out.
I think my heart stopped.
My back hit the rock. You should have let go. He was completely looking at the water when he was like this, and he started. Damn, about there now.
I think my heart stopped on that one. Because I thought
Man.
you was about to land on the bank.
I landed on some rocks.
I went,
My back hit some rocks.
that doesn't surprise me.
Are you about to go? Man, you gotta let go.
Yeah, you gotta let go when you're out there. Not when you're on the way back. Hold on.
You're
See
like
about
15 feet up in the air, like way out in the middle.
I want to
And
go
you're
from
looking
the
straight down at
platform.
Well, go!